Stop paying $70 a month for live TV packages that barely have the channels you actually want. Most people are losing nearly $1,000 a year just to keep up with live sports and breaking news. It is a massive drain on your wallet that ends today. I am going to show you the top 5 Kodi add-ons for 2026 that bring live television straight to your screen without the monthly bill. Welcome back to TechVibes. We help you simplify your tech and keep your cash where it belongs. Today we are fixing your home theater setup by unlocking world-class live TV and sports. Important downloader code and links have been mentioned in the description. First on the list is The Crew. This is the heavy hitter that everyone needs in their library. It has a dedicated section for IPTV that covers everything from local news to international networks. If one link does not work, it usually has 3 others ready to go. It is reliable and fast, which is exactly what you want when the game is about to start. Next up is Mad Titan Sports. If you are a fan of the NFL, NBA, or even professional wrestling, this is your new best friend. It is specifically built to handle high-demand live events. It categorizes everything by the specific sport, so you are not digging through menus for 20 minutes. It is the closest thing to having a premium sports pass without the premium price tag. For those who just want simple and clean television, there is Daddy Live. This add-on focuses on a massive list of live channels from the US and UK. It is great for catching your favorite morning shows or late-night news. The interface is very basic, which actually makes it faster to load on cheaper devices like the ONN box or a firestick. If you want a more premium experience, you should check out The Loop. This add-on is famous for its game day schedules. It shows you exactly what time every major match is starting and provides multiple streaming qualities. This is perfect if your internet speed is a bit slow, because you can choose a lower resolution to avoid buffering. Finally, we have Rising Tides. This is a specialized add-on that excels at live football and pay-per-view events. It is updated constantly to ensure the links are active right before a big event starts. It is a great backup to have in case your main sports add-on is experiencing too much traffic. Here is a quick bonus tip to stop that annoying buffering. Go into your Kodi system settings and increase your cache size. This allows the app to preload more of the live stream so it stays smooth even if your Wi-Fi dips for a second. It makes a world of difference for live broadcasts where every second counts. Taking control of your live TV is the ultimate way to cut the cord and save big in 2026. If this guide helped you get your favorite channels back, give this video a like and subscribe to TechVibes for more. Drop a comment and let me know which sports team you are watching this weekend. Thanks for watching.